challenge since a comment told me. Shout out to them. Forgot their name because I just read it. I have bad memory. We're going to be doing it with water because I don't have any Sprite. But I can still burp with water, can't you? So I'm going to do the burping challenge. I'm gonna burp. Okay, I didn't. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have like a huge gulp. Oh, I'm burping. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to do rounds of this. Okay, let's try again. I'm gonna wait for a while till like a burp comes up. I don't really want this video to be long, so I just burped. Okay, round two. I don't like this water, but it's the Sprite challenge. Try and burp. Okay, not yet. It's so hot. Gosh, sweating. Oh! It's coming. It's coming. Okay, guys. That was not in the script. Anyways, yeah. I'm gonna do a little something for you. Like and subscribe. Bye.